Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the following tools: a socket set, a screwdriver, a wrench, and a clean cloth for any spills. Make sure you have a replacement water pump compatible with the Conga WebN90. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get everything you need without hassle. Start by disconnecting the power supply to the device. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the unit is completely powered off. Next, locate the water pump, which is typically situated at the base of the machine. You may need to remove a few screws to access it. Use your screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once you have access to the water pump, inspect the area for any debris or buildup. It's essential to clean this area thoroughly to prevent any future issues. Use the clean cloth to wipe away any dirt or residue. This step is crucial as it ensures a proper seal when you install the new pump. Now disconnect the hoses attached to the old water pump. You may need to use your wrench to loosen any clamps holding the hoses in place. Be cautious as some water may still be in the system. If you prefer not to deal with this yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make an informed decision. With the hoses disconnected, remove the old water pump by unscrewing it from its mount. Take a moment to compare the old pump with the new one to ensure they match. If everything looks good, proceed to install the new water pump by reversing the removal process. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the hoses, ensuring they are tight and secure. If you encounter any difficulties, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can understand the costs involved if you decide to seek professional help. After everything is connected, it's time to test the new water pump. Reconnect the power supply and run the machine for a few minutes. Check for any leaks around the pump and hoses. If you notice any issues, it may be best to consult with a professional. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. Finally, clean up your workspace, ensuring all tools are put away and any spills are cleaned. Congratulations on successfully replacing the water pump on your Conga 1190. This task not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.